it's my girl. Now where can I find her in this world? I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Dry cry.
Well, once again, folks, I want to say good afternoon to the entire Leeward Islands. Alright, so once again, I'm inside the building, Bertman, of course, rinsing out some tune for you this afternoon. So I want to say pick up going out to all the massive and the crew locked on in Antigua and Barbuda. Let me say good afternoon to you. I also want to say good afternoon, good out to all the folks locked on in St. Martin. Good afternoon, St. Martin. Anguilla, good afternoon to you. I'm telling you. I also want to shout out to Sabre Central Station and St. Barnes. For those who locked on to the World Wide Web, let me say good afternoon to you also. And for those who locked on using their Androids, good afternoon to you. Inside the building once again from now until 7 p.m. Of course, it's Birdman in the building, keeping it jiggy. Alright, so I want to say, if this is your first time locked on to Sun FM 100.1, yeah, we welcome you aboard. Yeah, man, so it's a Thursday, and we're ready to do our thing, okay?
Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you to go, can't tell you to stay. Just one of those days, just one of those days. It's looking to see you at my days. To hear the phone ring by the fireplace. Now somewhere out there, it's my
so folks, just about 28 minutes moving up on the hour.
this one.
5 o'clock, of course. You're locked on to Port Radio 100.1 FM. Oh, yeah.
I just can't do without her. Oh, child. Still, I got to try. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell her to go, can't tell her to stay. Just one of those days, just one of those days. Is this happening for real? Only you know the vibe's got to be. Still trying to do my best. That's been from to my interest. Yeah, my girl, I love you so. We have to see you go. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you go, can't tell you stay. Just one of those days, just one of those days. Oh, try cry, even tears, even my heart cries, but who cares? Whose fault? No one but myself. The only one I can't explain. The only human reasoning joy mixed with pain. People would spend time just for us to separate. Oh, there's no one for us to restore.
Natural music. Hey, no, I never been someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still I had to try. Yeah. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach you. When I treat you like a man is supposed to, you never have to cry. No, I know everyone can relate to when they find this special someone. Ooh, natural music. Hey, no, I never been someone shy until I see you right.
This one compliments Taurus Riley.
Try, yeah. Oh yes, let me get my.
This segment is called the early warm segment. You know, later on it's going to be off the chain. Yeah, so this is how we're starting out on a Thursday.
I know everyone can relate to when they find this special someone.